Budget Secretary Florencio Abad cited a steadfast cooperation between the national government and local government in undertaking the rehabilitation of areas devastated by Super Typhoon Yolanda in 2013. He stressed that the bereft of politics and partisanship, fund releases for the implementation of the rehabilitation work were much faster. Ara Perez with the details.
There is not a trace of politics in the ongoing rehabilitation in Yolanda-hit areas. Budget Secretary Florencio Abad said the release and implementation of funds may even take a longer route if politics and partisanship will get in the way.
Hindi tayo namimili dito kung sino ang mayor, kung sino ang governor. Ang mahalaga, matugunan yung nangangailangan. Para kay Presidente Aquino at sa pamahalaan ito, hindi yung political affiliation ang mahalaga. Meron kasi tayong budget priorities framework kung saan nakatuon tayo dun sa mga lugar at mga sektor na kailangan talagang tuunan ng pansin ng ating gobyerno. At yun lamang tinitingnan natin at wala pang iba.
2 years after the calamity hit the Philippines, the officials said that the relationship of the national government and local government units in Yolanda-hit Eastern Visayas remains steadfast. The national government expressed gratitude to LGUs which stood as first responders during the wake of Yolanda amid being caught in the tragedy.
Hindi lahat nakadepende sa gobyerno. At kapag ang mga mamamayan handang magtulungan at tulungan ng sarili at tulungan ng kanilang mga kapitbahay, napakalaking bigat ang inaalis nito sa obligasyon ng gobyerno na pangunahan itong relief and reconstruction efforts.
Typhoon Yolanda or Haiyan was dubbed as the new normal, a moniker which poses an important question. Can we survive another calamity as devastating as Yolanda? No one can say for sure, but Abad believes that the Philippines is at the center of global climate change.
Na kung meron mang leader dito sa sistema ng pagtugon at paghahanda. At nakita natin yun sa mga sumunod na bagyo. Katulad ng itong Lando, yung United Nations pinuri ang Pilipinas na maganda ang paghahanda at pagpapaalam sa taong bayan upang sa ganon mabawasan at mapaliit ang posibleng pinsala nito sa ating mga kababayan.
For the People's Television, this is Ara Perez.